Resin Bound is the fastest growing surfacing solution in the UK. It is being embraced by landscapers, developers and surfacing contractors nationwide who are quickly recognizing it as a considerable sales opportunity. There are many hard surfacing systems available on the market, including bitmac, concrete, block paving and imprinted concrete. No other surfacing system offers the same range of strengths, resistances, structural and aesthetic benefits as Resin Bound. These include permeability. As more houses are built, the risk of flooding increases. As a result, the government has introduced legislation which requires all new driveways to comply with SUDS regulations. SUDS is the Sustainable Urban Drainage System. Resin Bound meets all planning requirements for new builds and renovations when it's laid on a suitable porous base, such as a special concrete or open-textured bitmac on top of Type 3 stone. Let's look at just how permeable it is.
The permeability of Resin Bound is 850 litres per square metre per minute. It's never going to rain that hard. Here's a simple way to show your customers the permeability.
Low maintenance. The Resin Bound aggregate system is incredibly strong and durable and will remain so for many years thanks to its low maintenance needs.
As well as being permeable, Resin Bound is also easy to clean and is achieved by just a simple jet wash. It's also resistant to oil spillage. If you accidentally spill oil onto it, it's easily cleaned off with hot water, washing up liquid and a jet wash. Due to the close-knit texture of the surface, it's also extremely weed resistant, unlike block paving. If you also add in the fact that Resin Bound does not fade, is frost and slip resistant and gives a beautiful seamless finish, then it's easy to see why it's growing so quickly in popularity.
Fantastic choice of colours. Derbyshire specialist aggregates offer the widest range of colours in the UK, so from golden quartz to white flint, the vast array of naturally coloured stone provides a huge amount of choice to customers. Create any designs. A resin-bound system can be adapted into any shape imaginable, providing a beautiful alternative to paving, tarmac or concrete. Standard or formable beading is very flexible and can be used to create any number of visually exciting designs. Whatever shape your customers want, circle, square, star or even their own logo, beading is available in a variety of sizes and depths to provide stunning results. They may sound very similar, but resin-bound systems and resin-bonded systems are completely different. Resin Bound is a system of laying a hard-wearing course of mixed resin and dried aggregates onto either a new or existing bitmac or concrete base. The aggregate is mixed in with the resin. The resulting material is troweled onto the surface in an even layer. This leaves a smooth, flat finish with no loose gravel. Resin Bound creates a permeable, porous surface which allows water to drain through. This is a SUDS-compliant solution. For resin bonded, the layer of resin is spread across the surface and the aggregate or gravel is scattered into it. The majority of the aggregate will adhere to the resin while leaving some loose on the top. This gives the appearance of loose gravel. This surface is non-porous and is not SUDS-compliant. Derbyshire Specialist Aggregates runs a resin-bound training course. This video introduces some areas covered on the course. For more details, visit resinbondedaggregates.com or phone or email us.